Hey, this is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. We get a lot of questions about equipment at NorCal Screen Print Supply, so today I wanted to talk with you guys about different equipment options that we have here. Behind me we have a Riley Hopkins 250 6-color 4-station press. We have a nice 18 by 18 BBC Afforda flash dryer. And then we have an RXP LED 20 by 24 exposure unit, which is a great option for exposing beautiful high detail screens. And we also have the BBC Little Buddy conveyor dryer here. This is 120 for household. You can plug it into outlets, but you will need a 20 amp breaker. It's the one thing with this one. Here's about 100 shirts an hour and is an excellent way to get up and running with your screen printing operation. Here we'll talk a little bit about the press. If you're getting started screen printing for yourself or for other companies or for your own clothing line, the 6-color 4-station is an excellent option for multicolor designs, kind of like the one we have set up here. You can also run 1, 2, 3, 4-color designs. With a 6-color press, you can also run CMYK with an underbase, so you can actually print full-color images or imprints with a white underbase, which is a great reason to get a 6-color press. The Riley 250 does come with micro adjustments here, so for registering multicolor jobs and fine-tuning your registration, getting your print colors all lined up, this is very easy to use, and the learning curve is not quite as steep as with some other systems trying to register colors. So we love the Riley Hopkins 250. This is a laser kind of registration guide to tell you how to load the shirt. It's an excellent option if you're looking to get into screen printing and would like to print images like this. All of these pieces of equipment are for sale on our website. We can tailor packages to fit your needs if you're looking to get into screen printing. There are a variety of different options available, and we love to figure out and to find out about your business and what you are wanting to accomplish with it so that we can match the equipment to your needs. For any information, you can always email us, info@norcalsps.com. You can call us, 916-534-8337. And you can visit our website where you can find all of these pieces of equipment. That is www.norcalsps.com. This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply signing off, and we'll see you guys again soon.